Hi there, I'm Brian and I'm going to show you how CampusWire Lectures works. So CampusWire Lectures is a complete replacement for any active learning or clicker tool that you're already using. We make it really easy to upload your slides to CampusWire, present from within your CampusWire class, and build your active learning and your live polling right into your CampusWire course. CampusWire Lectures will live in your CampusWire class right beneath your group feed and your chat rooms. All you'll need to do to present from within CampusWire is upload your lecture slides. So let's find the lecture that we're looking for. Upload them right here. Once they're in your set of unpublished slides, all you'll need to do is click Present Slide Deck to begin presenting during lecture. Students, what they'll see, and I'll give you a quick preview of how this looks within the mobile app in a second, but they'll see whoever's presenting live now. That's me. They'll be able to click to view the lecture and to answer polls from within the web app or the mobile app. As you're presenting, let's say you reach slide number 7 here, which is my first slide with an active learning question on it. I've got my question and I've got my 3 answer options here. All I need to do is click to start polling. I can select however many minutes I want to make this poll active for and choose multiple choice or numeric answer. In this case, obviously, I just want to do multiple choice. Let's say I want to set this for 1 minute, and I can click to start polling. As students answer, you'll see the results in real time, and students will get immediate feedback on their answers once the poll closes. As soon as you're done polling, or when the poll expires, you can simply click to stop the poll. You'll get results right here, and you can continue on with your presentation. Some other options that you have are this back channel. So this is a space for real-time questions or comments within lecture. Makes it really easy for students to point out when they're confused or to ask a question without having to raise their hand and stop lecture. And you also have an attendance option. So you can click to start attendance. What will happen is there will be a code presented on your slide right here. Your course attendance code is 6194. Now it's 0613. This resets every few seconds so that it's not so easy to share with classmates who aren't in class. This makes it really easy to track attendance and make sure you're getting accurate attendance data. You can set that for as long as you'd like, and when you're done and you're sure everyone is there, you can stop attendance and we'll share those results with you as well. When you're ready to end your presentation, we'll just click right here, End Presentation, and we'll take you right back to your lecture's homepage. At the end of a session, it'll be really easy to click on that session, view all of your results right here, as well as your attendance data. In this case, this is just a demo, so no one actually answered, but we'll show those to you right there. And you could have multiple sessions in case you're presenting the same lecture multiple times. Another great thing about lectures is that it's going to keep all of your lecture slides and active learning consolidated within your CampusWire course. So when you're finished presenting and you want to share your lecture slides and poll results with your class, all you'll need to do is take a lecture that's unpublished, click this button to make it published, and students will see that lecture living within their Lectures tab. It's really easy for them to download it if they need it later to study, or just to have it to check back on at any point, all from within your CampusWire class. Now I'll just give you a quick preview of what students will see during lecture. So if they're using the CampusWire web app from their laptop, this is what the attendance screen will look like. They can just enter the attendance code and be marked as present. And this is what a polling option will look like when they go to submit their response. All within their CampusWire Lectures tab. Really intuitive, really simple to use during class. Now, most students will probably choose to use CampusWire mobile apps to respond to questions during lecture. We've designed our apps with that in mind. And again, really intuitive, really clean. It'll be really simple for students to join a lecture and submit their responses. So when they go to their class, they'll see that you're presenting. They'll just click on this lecture right here, and they'll see a screen that will allow them to enter their attendance code and to select their option for a live poll. You'll also see that the back channel option lives right there if you choose to turn it on. Students can just select that ask their questions or make any comments they have during lecture, all from within the CampusWire app. That's a quick preview of CampusWire lectures. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions and let me know how I can be helpful. Thanks.